As Ramadan gets closer and closer, it's very important that we start to gear up for this very, very special month. And one way to do that, and one very, very important way to be able to maximize the Ramadan that is just around the corner, is to abandon sins and bad habits from now. If you had bad habits like constantly picking up your phone, like scrolling social media mindlessly and endlessly, doom scrolling as it's known, then try to cut down on these habits from now, so that when Ramadan comes, you're ready to go. Equally, try to give up any sin that you are currently engaged in. Don't wait for Ramadan to come. Why? Because number one, there is no guarantee that we will even reach Ramadan. And number two, if you give up that sin from now, then when Ramadan approaches and Ramadan begins, you will be in the mood and ready to jump straight into abundance of worship. Otherwise, the first few days and weeks of Ramadan will be spent trying to fight and get away from this sin. And by the time you achieve victory, Ramadan will already be approaching its end. So from now, give up these sins, give up these bad habits to maximize your upcoming Ramadan.